Now, while creating a portfolio, the next thing you need to do is to choose a platform to host your portfolio. So there are very many places that you can use to host your portfolio. A good example is a personal website. Yeah. So you can have your name. So for example, my name is Kevin. Yeah. So I can have kevin.co.ke to be my portfolio website. Yeah. So when you visit kevin.co.ke, you will find my portfolio there. The other place I can use is LinkedIn. So LinkedIn allows you to publish articles there. So you can just keep publishing on your profile. Then whenever someone asks for samples, you can just send them a link to your profile. Another thing is writing a specific platform like Contently. But I found this one known as clippings.me. So it's a really good website for building portfolios as a writer. So if you can see here, these are examples of featured portfolios. One of them is this lady here called Caitlin Reed. So she's a freelance copywriter and journalist. And of course, as you can see, she has written what she has provided what she does here and who she works with. So you can go to clippings.me /Caitlin Reid. Then you can look at her portfolio, and you can see this one presents everything she's done. She says she works for copywriting. She's a copywriter and a journalist. And if you can see here, there is a press release here, and there is of course a skincare copywriting. So this is she was writing this for sales. Yeah. So you can go and look at her portfolio. There is someone here also known as Christine Hayden. Yeah, so this is her portfolio. She writes about travel and stuff. So if your niche is travel industry, this is your, you can look at her portfolio and see how she has presented it. Now, another place that you can publish your writing samples and build a portfolio is this place known as medium.com. It's free. So if you have no money to invest, you can use this website or this one. This one also is free. So just go to medium.com, come here and start write. Click here, write, and then create a profile and then start publishing. Now, as you put together your portfolio, you need to organize them by the type of writing, industry or niche, or by client. Now, if you look at how Caitlin has put hers, you can see that the one for copywriting and press releases or advertorial comes first. Then down here we have editorial, post and digital content, as you can see that. Yeah. Then we have health, fitness and wellness content. So you need to copy that, use that style here. That's what this means. Then of course you need to include a brief bio or about me section that highlights your experience and expertise and experience as a freelance writer. That's what she does here. She tells us who she is, what she does, this is what she does, and then of course who she has worked with, and of course we have her email here. So if I was a client looking for a freelance copywriter or a journalist, I'll just use this email and of course shoot her an email, then see where it goes from there. Now, this is what you need to do for this lesson. You need to write 2 to 3 articles on a topic of your choice and then compile them into a portfolio. So you can use this. I'd recommend to use clippings.me. It's free. Just go to clippings.me and then click create portfolio there. And then of course now you need to organize like what she has done here. Yeah. So if you've chosen, say if you're a copywriter like her, you can use her style here to put together or to organize your portfolio. Now you need to research and critique samples, sample portfolios from successful freelancers. So that's what we are doing here. So you can go to clippings.me / and then scroll down here and come and click writing portfolio and then go through all of these guys' portfolios to see, what they've done and all that. So that's your homework for this lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson.